We average about 3.5 inches for the month of March, and now we're going to get a chance to add to that. This has been a very active month of weather for us. We had 15 days this month where we had wind gusts 40 miles per hour or more, and we had a couple of tornado outbreaks across the state. We've already had 15 tornadoes this month. We typically average 2 for the month of March and only 22 for the average year, so we're seeing another severe weather threat coming our way as we move on toward the weekend. During the day on Saturday, a few scattered sprinkles. Tomorrow morning, a better chance of more widespread scattered showers. That'll be coming up Saturday afternoon. We'll see the high temperature in the 60s on Saturday with winds gusting up around 25 miles per hour from the south. We'll keep that rain going on through Saturday evening across central Indiana, with the rainfall tapering off early on Sunday morning. We'll see a severe weather threat coming our way late Sunday afternoon into Sunday evening with a new line of storms forming. We'll start our Sunday with clouds, then skies will clear. Atmosphere is going to heat up and become more unstable, and then we'll see a line of storms developing off to our west across Illinois, and that's a line that's going to move in late tomorrow, Sunday afternoon into Sunday evening. We'll see the high temperature right around 70 on Sunday with a south wind gusting up around 30 miles per hour. That main severe weather threat, that's going to come Sunday evening with that line of storms tearing across the state on through the evening hours, giving us up to an inch, maybe inch and a half of rain. In the 7-day forecast, a wet weekend coming our way with highs near 70, then cooler for Monday and Tuesday with highs near 50. We'll see more rain coming our way on Wednesday and get the high temperature back in the 60s and stay in the 60s on Thursday and Friday.